look back and tell me, baby, it's real. Money all around me, I look like I'm the man. Say I ain't got you for a second, so then I can tell how it feels.
Keeping it honest, you wouldn't want a young nigga if I wasn't whipping this foreign. Swear I came back top game.
Hi guys, my name is Kai. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome, and if you are not, what's up? You already know what it is. I'm back again with another video, and in today's video I will be showing you how I got this eye look, because I didn't, oh yeah, and I showed how I got the lip color as well. Not too much on the face. You get to see me do a little bit of face action, but not too much. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you do, make sure you thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you are not already. And let's just go ahead and jump into this video.
Ladies and gentlemen,
thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you tell me you like it by commenting and liking the video and subscribing to my channel. But that's it, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.